Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Streaky Law and Trick. Streaky is one of Europe's premier master engineers with over 25 years of experience. He has been working with such great artists as A Tribe Called Quest, Groove Armada, Britney Spears, Ed Sheeran, and many more. In addition to his work at Streaky Studios, Streaky also trains others in the art of mixing and mastering at Streaky.com. So, if you want to learn from Streaky on mixing and mastering, you can check out his courses at Streaky.com. Also, Streaky has wonderful and very knowledgeable YouTube channel where you can learn from him on mixing and mastering for free, and also you can check out his Instagram page where he also uploads his videos on mixing and mastering. So in our today's video we're gonna be taking a look at Streaky's Law and Trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our kick and bass. To create Streaky's Law and Trick, first of all, we're gonna be using FabFilter Pro Q4. First of all, we're gonna be using low shelf, around 300 Hz. And now we have to make our low shelf dynamic, and we have to make our low shelf spectral. Now when our low shelf in the dynamic mode, we can bring our low shelf to 0. And now let's bring our low shelf back to -3 dB. Now in our Pro Q4, we have to engage spectral mode. And we're going to be using quick attack and quick release. Then we're going to be sidechaining our bass to our kick. And now let's have a listen to our kick and our bass. Now let's have a listen to our kick and our bass in the mix.
I'm gonna need someone to fix my half a heart and stitch me up inside before I rip apart. I wonder where I'd be if I had you from the start. I really need someone. All that left was half a heart. Will I make it with half a heart? How can I live with half a heart?
So by using this trick, we can make our low end sound tight. Then after our Pro Q4, we can use Pro MB multiband compressor. And here we're going to be using band around 150 Hz. We're going to be using fast release and slow attack. And again, we have to sidechain our bass to our kick. Now let's have a listen to our kick and our bass only. And let's have a listen to our kick and to our bass in the mix.
I'm gonna need someone to fix my half a heart and stitch me up inside before I rip apart. I wonder where I'd be if I had you from the start. I really need someone. All that left was half a heart.
Now you know how you can control your low end by using Pro Q4 equalizer and by using Pro MB multiband compressor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video and I hope this video will be useful for you. Again, if you want to learn from Streaky on mixing and mastering, you can check out his courses, you can subscribe to his YouTube channel, and you can follow him on Instagram. All links will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.